Come here right now, little Max. Let us chase this bright red bouncy ball all over the soft green grass.
Tom, please stop running so fast and listen to me. You must make sure that the big backyard gate is locked completely.
Do not worry, Mom. I am just throwing the ball directly towards the wooden fence so Max can catch it quickly.
Look at the dark sky above us, Tom. It is starting to look very cloudy, and a dangerous storm is coming.
Go fetch the red ball now, Max. Run fast across the lawn and bring it back to my hands.
Oh my goodness! The wind is blowing so hard right now, and go check the heavy metal latch immediately, Tom!
Wait a minute, where did the little puppy go? He was just running near the old oak tree a second ago. Buddy, where are you? Oh no!
Look over there at the side of the house, Tom. The big wooden gate is swinging completely open in the wind.
Oh no! I completely forgot to drop the iron bar down into the lock when we came outside to play.
Max is way too small to be out on the busy street all alone, especially with a terrible storm starting.
Max! Where are you hiding? Please come back inside the safe yard before the heavy raindrops start to fall.
Put on your thick blue rain jacket right now, Tom. We must go outside and search the entire neighborhood together.
Okay. My hands are shaking so badly because I am incredibly scared that something bad might happen to my little puppy.
Take this big yellow plastic flashlight in your hand. We need to hurry up before the sky gets completely dark.
I am so sorry, Mom. I promise to be a very responsible boy if we can just find Max safe and sound.
Walk carefully along the concrete sidewalk, Tom, and shine your bright light into every dark corner you can see. Is he hiding under that large parked silver car over there? Let me bend down and look closely on the ground. Do you see his small green collar glowing anywhere in the dark space beneath the engine of the car, Tom? No, there is absolutely nothing under the silver car, except for some old wet leaves and a plastic bottle. Let us run quickly towards those giant green trash cans sitting between the two brick houses down the street.
I am looking behind the trash cans right now, but it is very hard to see anything through the heavy wind.
Look between the plastic bins and the brick wall. Max might be squeezing himself into a tight space out of fear.
No! Max is not behind the trash cans either! Oh no! The mystery is getting more difficult and I am terrified!
Listen closely to the sounds around us, Tom. Try to hear if there is any faint barking or whimpering nearby.
I can only hear the loud roaring thunder in the sky and the wind blowing hard through the tree branches. Do not give up hope yet, my brave boy. Let us check the narrow alleyway behind the local grocery shop. Shine your light over there, Mom. I think I see a small moving shadow right next to the wooden boxes.
Walk slowly and quietly towards the shadow. We do not want to scare him away into the busy main road. Oh no, that is not Max at all. It is just a big gray stray cat staring at us with bright eyes.
The stray cat is running away up the tall fence. Let us turn around and look near the park entrance. Look over there, Mom. Mr. Smith's white delivery truck is parked directly outside his house with the back door open.
Hurry up, Tom. Maybe Max saw the open door and jumped inside the vehicle to hide from the scary thunder. I am climbing up into the back of the white truck now. It is completely filled with big cardboard boxes. Move the boxes aside very gently, Tom. Check behind the large packages and call his name out loud one more time. Wait, I can hear a soft scratching sound coming from the very back corner, behind that huge brown crate. Be extremely careful, Tom. We do not know if something else is trapped inside the vehicle because of the weather. Oh my goodness, this is not Max. It is a tiny wild raccoon eating a piece of leftover bread from a box. Step back immediately, Tom. Jump down from the truck right now and let us leave the wild animal alone in peace.
Wow, that really startled me. My heart is beating so fast now, and the heavy rain is finally starting to fall.
Wipe the rainwater off your eyes, Tom. We must keep moving forward because time is running out very quickly now.
Look down at the wet concrete sidewalk, Mom. I think I see something very interesting on the ground over here.
Those look exactly like fresh, muddy little paw prints leading directly towards the neighbor's automatic garage door.
The paw prints go straight under the small opening of the garage door. Let's run over there fast.
Stand back from the door, Tom. I will press the neighbor's doorbell so we can ask them to open it up.
Oh no! Look at the automatic garage door. It is moving downwards and closing completely flat against the floor.
Knock loudly on the heavy metal panels, Tom. We need to tell them that our puppy might be trapped inside.
Hello? Is anyone home? Please help us. Our little dog Max ran under your garage door just a minute ago.
Nobody is answering the front door, Tom. They must be out at the supermarket or sleeping deeply upstairs.
Maybe they just can't hear us over the rain, Mom. Let me peek through this tiny glass window on the side of the garage to see if I can spot him.
Can you see anything clearly through the dirty glass, Tom? Or is it too dark inside the building to tell?
I'm trying. It's really dark in there.
Look closely at the pile of blankets, Tom. Is there anything moving or shaking underneath the fabric right now?
Wait, the blankets are perfectly still, but I see a small red ball resting right next to the bicycle wheels.
That is Max's favorite red bouncy ball, but he must have carried it in his mouth all the way over here.
Max! If you can hear my voice inside the dark garage, please bark loudly so I can know you are safe.
Listen carefully, Tom. I do not hear any barking at all. The garage seems completely silent and empty inside.
Why would his red ball be here if he is not inside the building? This is incredibly confusing and strange.
Look closely at the ground outside the window, Tom. Wow. The muddy paw prints actually turn around and go back out. Oh, you are right, Mom. The little paw prints lead out of the driveway and go straight towards the local park gates.
The park is very big and has too many trees. It will be incredibly difficult to find him in this heavy rain.
We have to try our best, Mom. I cannot go back to our warm house knowing that Max is out here freezing.
Hold my hand tightly, Tom. The wind is blowing harder now, and the park pathways are becoming very slippery.
Let us walk through the main entrance and check near the children's playground under the large plastic slides. I am crawling underneath the slide right now, but there is nothing here except for a wet wooden bench.
Check inside the big blue tunnel on the playground, Tom.
I am looking through the blue plastic tunnel, but it is completely empty, and the water is rushing inside it.
Oh no! Look over there at the big stormy sky! That loud thunder crack was so terrifying. Max must be absolutely frantic with fear wherever he is right now.
Let us walk between the rows of tall pine trees near the duck pond. He might be shivering under the bushes.
Max! Max! Please come to me, buddy. I promise to never leave the backyard gate open ever again in my life.
Wait a minute, Tom. Stop walking right now and look at the edge of the rushing water near the stone bridge.
What is it, Mom?
Oh my goodness, Tom, that is definitely Max, but he is trapped on a tiny mud bank under the stone bridge. The water in the stream is rising very fast because of the heavy rain. It is incredibly dangerous for him.
Do not move any closer to the edge, Tom. The wet grass is too slippery and you could fall into the stream. Okay, Mom. But Mom, the water is starting to cover his little paws. He is crying so loudly and he cannot swim out.
Stay right here on the pathway, Tom. I am going to find a long tree branch to help reach him safely.
Hurry up, Mom! The mud bank is disappearing under the rushing water. We only have a few seconds left to act. Max, catch the branch with your paws, or try to climb up onto the stone ledge so I can grab your collar.
Ugh, the branch is just a little bit too short. I cannot reach his small body from this high wall.
Let me step down onto that flat rock beneath the bridge, Mom. I am smaller and I can reach lower down.
Absolutely not, Tom. It is way too dangerous. The current of the water is moving much too fast right now.
Please trust me, Mom. You can hold my left hand tightly while I lean down to scoop him up with my right arm. Oh, Tom. Gotcha, boy. Thank goodness.
Okay, take a deep breath. Hold my hand with all your strength. And do not let go under any circumstances.
I am reaching my hand down towards the water now, and my fingers are just a few inches away from his soft, wet fur.
Lean just a little bit lower, Tom. I have a very secure grip on your jacket, and you are doing great. I'm almost there, Mom. I have his collar, Mom. I am pulling him up onto the flat rock right now with all my strength. Oh, thank goodness, Tom. You saved him.
Pull your body back up immediately, Tom. Stand flat on the grass path and bring the puppy close to your chest. Pull your body back up immediately, Tom. Stand flat on the grass path and bring the puppy close to your chest. Okay, I got it, Mom. Thank you.
Wow, I cannot believe it. I am holding you tight now, Max. You are finally safe in my warm arms, buddy.
Oh, thank goodness. That was the most terrifying moment of my life, and you were an incredibly brave boy, Tom.
I know. Max is shaking so badly because he is completely soaked from the cold rain. We need to wrap him up warm.
Open your blue rain jacket, Tom. Put the little puppy inside the coat and press him close to your warm sweater. There you go. Close it up. Good boy.
He is licking my face so much right now, and I think he is saying thank you for saving his life from the water.
Let us run back towards our house as fast as we can, and the storm is getting much worse now.
Look at the sky. The rain is pouring down like a waterfall. I can barely see the pathway ahead of us. Follow my footsteps closely, Tom. Stay right behind me and do not stop running until we reach our front porch.
Unlock the front door quickly, Mom. It is freezing cold out here, and my shoes are completely filled with water. Step inside the warm living room right now, Tom, and close the door tightly behind you to keep the cold wind out.
Thanks, Mom.
Ah, it feels so wonderfully warm and cozy inside our house, but let us get some dry towels for Max immediately.
Yes, let's get him warm right away.
Go into the bathroom and grab the big, fluffy white towel from the shelf. Tom, we need to dry his fur completely. I am rubbing his soft fur with the towel now. He is starting to stop shaking, and his tail is wagging happily. Put his favorite green blanket right next to the warm fireplace so he can lie down and rest comfortably. Look at him, Mom. He is curling himself into a small ball on the blanket and closing his sleepy eyes. He had a very long and scary adventure today, and he is completely exhausted from all the running and crying.
Go into the kitchen, Mom. Can we please prepare a big bowl of warm food for our little hero now? Yes, sweetie. Let's get that started.
Yes, and I will also make a nice cup of hot chocolate for you, Tom, because you deserve a special reward today.
Sitting by the warm fire with my hot chocolate feels absolutely amazing after being out in that terrible storm. Sit down next to me on the sofa, Tom. Let us have a serious talk about what happened this afternoon in the yard. I know exactly what you are going to say, Mom, and I feel incredibly guilty about my careless mistake.
You must realize that owning a little puppy is a very big responsibility. It is not just about playing games.
I understand completely, Mom. Because I forgot to check the iron latch, Max almost drowned in the rushing stream.
Remember that animals do not know what is dangerous. They rely on us to keep them safe inside our home.
From now on, every single time we come inside the house, I will check the backyard gate 3 times to be sure.
That is a wonderful promise, Tom. Being responsible means learning from our mistakes and doing better next time.
Look at Max, Mom. He is opening his eyes and looking straight at us with a very happy expression. Oh, he's just adorable, Tom.
He knows that you are his best friend, Tom, and he knows that you risked your own safety to rescue him today.
Let us put his favorite small red bouncy ball
back into his toy basket so he does not lose it again.
Wait a minute, Tom. Where is the red ball? We left it sitting next to the bicycle wheels in the neighbor's garage.
Oh my goodness, you are right. We forgot the ball completely because we were rushing to save Max from the water.
Look out the window, Tom. The heavy rain has finally stopped and the bright sun is coming out from behind clouds.
Wow, Mom, it's so bright.
Look over there. Mr. Smith is walking up our driveway and he is holding something bright red in his hand.
Open the front door, Tom. Let us go see what our kind neighbor has brought over to our house.
Hello, Mr. Smith. Thank you so much for coming over to visit us after that crazy afternoon storm.
Oh, hello there, Tom. It's my pleasure to visit. Did you find that colorful toy resting inside your garage while you were putting your bicycle away, Mr. Smith?
Oh, the red one. Thanks, Mr. Smith.
We've been looking all over for it.
Wow. Thank you for returning his favorite ball. Max is going to be so incredibly excited to have it back again.
Come inside for a minute, Mr. Smith. Look at how peacefully our little puppy is sleeping near the fireplace.
Oh my, what a cutie. So peaceful.
He is having a wonderful, happy dream now that maybe he is dreaming about running safely under the bright blue sky.
Our family life is definitely full of unexpected surprises, but everything ended perfectly well in the end.
I am the luckiest boy in the entire world because my puppy is safe and I have the best mom ever.
Go give your little dog a gentle pat on the head, Tom, and let us enjoy the rest of this beautiful sunny day.
Goodbye, my brave little friend Max. I promise to always protect you and keep you safe between our warm walls.